Hi guys, how to automatically scale the text in HTML and CSS? It's really simple. On the left side we have our basic code and on the right side we have our output. As you can see now our text is not auto scalable. We have our sample paragraph here with the class name font test. Now go inside the style section, call for the class dot font test, opening brace, closing brace, give it some space. Then inside write font dash size clone calc for calculation, opening parenthesis. Then suppose to viewport width space plus space to viewport height, closing parenthesis semicolon, and we are done. To viewport width represents 2% of the total viewport width. Same goes for the height and is totally up to you which size do you want. Let's change it to 3. Save, reload. See, the text is automatically scaling. So thank you guys for watching. Have a good day.